Popular recording artist Chuck Fenda is now a husband after he married recently. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Celebrity Scoop on Links 007 TV, bringing you the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity to the Scoop. If it's the first time you're watching, please remember to like, share, subscribe to the channel. Click the notification bell and click on all so you're always updated with our latest report. You can also add us on WhatsApp so you're also notified using that medium of communication. So coming up on the scoop for today, reggae singing sensation Chuck Fenda is now a married man, and congratulations goes out to the superstar on becoming a husband. A number of his fans took to social media just in order to congratulate him on this bold move. And we here at Links 007 TV as well just want to congratulate the recording star as well. So reggae singer Leshorn Chuck Fenda Whitehead is now a married man after tying the knot with his woman of his dream, and this would have took place just last week Saturday. So Chuck Fenda tied the knot with Abigail last week Saturday in East Orange, New Jersey, USA, and he is feeling good about finally taking this bold step in his life as well. So pictures of the superstar have been making rounds on social media as well, and a number of images have circulated, and the followers of Chuck Fenda are just taking the warmth of a time just in order to express their love and appreciation towards him and his wife as well. But no one knew that Chuck Fenda was actually dating as well, and this came as a surprise for many because it was actually the first time that many fans have seen this female along with Chuck Fenda. But it's a good look for Chuck Fenda, and we here at Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop just want to wish him all the best as well in his musical career as well, and also just the fact that he became a husband, so we wish them all the best. The happy bride, who has always been orchestrating Chuck Fenda's musical career behind the scene, told reporters that although the wedding wasn't a big one as she wanted, honestly, she said it felt like a big wedding. Chuck Fenda stated that his wife is from a Christian family, and she would always say to him that having children and living together outside of marriage is not the ideal thing, because her grandmother and grandfather asked her about it, and that would have been Chuck Fenda's wife. So you know that this was something in the pipeline, something that has been planned in the mind of Chuck Fenda for some time, and he actually delivered, especially during this festive time of the Christmas period. So congratulations goes out to them both. This is where we're gonna leave this report though. Thanks for watching. This has been Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. Peace out and bless.